Hello makers, I'm Catherine Harris with Stitchery, and if you're new here, I do sewing and DIY tutorials each week. This week is a quick recap on the 5th week of the Summer Sampler 2021, and this block is our 5th block in the sampler quilt that we're making, and it is called Reunion. Now, this block was designed by HEINRICH from HEINRICH, and she was designing this block at the middle of the pandemic last year and was really fascinated with the traditional friendship star. And what she decided to do was do a fun new take on this because, of course, this is a modern twist on traditional quilt blocks. And she came up with this really unique design. Now, I am really loving all the nice swirls and twists in it, and I wanted to show you what a full quilt with this block might look like if you were to do that up as a whole quilt, as opposed to the sampler. And I think it looks absolutely stunning. Now, she labeled this quilt block Reunion because it really symbolizes people coming together, and as we end the pandemic and things start to open up just a wee little bit, we can now interact more with our friends, and I think it is very well timed for coming out with this block.
Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum.
A ton of fun making it up, and it did utilize some of the skills that we had learned in previous blocks, such as stitching curves. And if you would like a tutorial on how to stitch curves or some tips and tricks, I will link it down below for you. And until next week, let's get our sewspiration on.